This is the FLIR infrared pro camera I've got attached to my iPhone 6 Plus. You see kind of what it looks like. This is my iPhone 6 Plus with the FLIR infrared pro camera attached to it. I've taken all my videos using my iPhone 6 Plus, and this is the iOS version of the FLIR camera. You can buy it through Amazon or from them directly. And bluer spots are cooler. If you see right here, that blue spot is the vent for the air conditioning system on the floor. Please excuse the floor. We're in the middle of remodeling this house. A little hot spot there in the corner is our cat. And these things are nice. They kind of combine a visual with a thermal image. And we took it on our recent trip to Kīlauea Volcanoes National Park. Took some thermal pictures of magma in the crater. So we'll show you that here in just a few minutes. We're here at the Jaggar Museum, the National Park Service at Kīlauea Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island of Hawaii. It's going to see if we can photograph the molten lava in the crater with this FLIR Pro 1 infrared camera. This is a visible light video showing the crater where we'll be taking infrared pictures. If you look out there, you can see the magma hotspot. We'll see the images in just a minute. There was so much wind and the fog and drizzle and rain. It was very difficult conditions, so I'm doing a voiceover on some of this video so that you can hear a little bit of what I'm saying. Very interesting. At the time I used this, I didn't realize I had a high and low temperature version of the for the measurement spot in the center. You can see the little white cross and the numbers associated with it's in degrees F. But in any event, I think the fog, drizzle, and everything out there is affecting the actual temperature measurement anyway. But very interesting. I mean, you could see what looked like just a cold, basically lava lake bed. You can see there's hot spots all around the very bright hot spot. I wouldn't want to be walking out there on that. It would not be the safest thing to do. The images were taken between April 15th and 17th. This was before the recent eruptions in May of this year, 2018. It was interesting. They told us, the rangers did, that the lava lake was higher than normal. And there had been a huge amount of rain in Hawaii. I think that contributed to all this, these recent eruptions. But we were lucky to get there because check today, and as of today, which is May 6th, the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is closed due to the volcanic action. So we were lucky we got to see it before it got bad. Going to finish with a few images and videos from the rest of our trip, and please take a look at our other videos. And we also have an anisotropicplus iOS app, and we are in the process of building a new website, and hope you'll come back and visit us soon. Thank you.